Resident Evil! Oh, that wasn't the Resident Evil people. This is the Resident Evil people. Oh, we got so much going on here. A lot going on here. I wasn't really feeling up to it. I was up late, but I didn't know what this would be, but it's pretty cool. It's a good time. It's interesting. Oh yeah, what's going on here? Everybody's decked out for this thing. Got some kind of Pokemon. We got the professional photo shoot here. That's crazy. So many people. I don't know what's going on here. Spider-Man just attacked Warren. Spider-Man come and attack you for the Pompooey?
Well, brothers in arms.
We got even more cosplay going on here. More games. This is yeah, it's the first one I've ever been to. Pretty cool. Okay. I got some really elaborate sets here. Really cool. Super Mario World. Now we got TV or something going on here. Wow. Oh, what's over there? Lost and found. Oh, they got Xbox in Thailand now. That's new. Alright, there you go. That's where we're at. GamesCon Asia. And check this guy's cosplay out. Like Mr. Freeze or something. I don't know. But yeah, interesting. I haven't really seen much about games. I guess they're game-based, but it's mostly just about a cosplay and really loud talking.
What is gaming anyway? It's cosplay. You're playing a different person, a different character. You are being something else. It's all cosplay.
Yeah, I guess so.
It's like real life is cosplay too. We don't really want to go to work every day.
I know I don't. Oh man, that's a pretty sweet driving rig. Playing some Forza. We got a panda. Dead finger dice. I don't know what that is. Sounds cool. Thermite games. House of Legacy. Everything is very anime based. Oh, Roblox. I've heard of that. I think it's for kids. I think my nephew? I don't know. He plays it. Looks like Lego. Lauren's still going strong. Still going strong. It's getting later in the day. It's Friday afternoon. We got here about 3, and it was already half the city doesn't have a job apparently. This is actually less crowded now, I'd say. Maybe everybody went to dinner. A lot of anime-related type games. I think it's less crowded now.
More crowded now.
More?
No, more crowded.
Oh.
Well, it was over there. Maybe it's getting here.
It's all migrating. Every Thai girl's favorite character. The little naughty boy that always has his pants down. Now he's selling drinks. Alright, we found a new display. The golden spatula. It's a big display about cooking, I guess. There it is, big spatula. Alright, we lost Jerry at some point. Have yet to find him. But we're almost out of space, so we've almost covered the grounds here. A big line for this. Whatever's going on here. Oh, get a hologram ticket souvenir. That's cool. With the Zetless Zone Zero. Oh, there's the queue right there. I don't think I'll be getting in that. Another Jensen. There's a lot of anime-based games. A lot of anime-based games.
Well, that's what this manga and all that stuff, anime is very big. Out of the 10 million gamers in Thailand, probably 8 million are doing manga and anime games.
Right.
Then it's talking to real games.
Yeah, I just like racing and shooting. That's it. Okay, back at Golden Spatula, we got a live competition going, I guess. I don't know what the hell they're doing. Funny. So you're gonna get up there? Never? Yeah, you're gonna get your spatula and get up there?
I don't think so.
Okay, I think we've pretty much seen everything here. Pretty wild place. It's going to be more wild tomorrow and Saturday. So, anyway, we'll see how this video turns out. See if you even hear me. Complete chaos here. What we got there? A racing guy. I don't know. Alright, we're finally heading out. Even the convention hall is still basically like being inside. Everybody's still a character. This is the new Queen Sirikit Convention Center. It's pretty nice. Just remodeled it, I think, during the whole 2020-21 time frame. That's the main road, heads up to Asok. But we'll take the MRT.